What's up, everybody? It's your boy TechTalk here, back with another video. Today, I've got a lineup of 5 must-have tech gadgets of 2024 that you simply can't miss. So grab your favorite snack, sit back, and let's dive in. First up, we have the ZombieCat Wireless Waterproof Earphones. These aren't your average earphones, folks. With an IPX7 waterproof rating, they're perfect for your intense workouts or even a quick swim. They feature Bluetooth 5.2 for a stable connection, and the sound quality is phenomenal with deep bass and clear treble. Plus, they come with active noise cancellation to drown out the world around you. The battery life is impressive too, up to 10 hours on a single charge, and the charging case provides an additional 30 hours. And yes, they really are called ZombieCat, because why not add a bit of quirky fun to your tech? Next, let's talk about keeping your home safe with the 4G Wi-Fi wireless security alarm system. This system includes a central hub, door-window sensors, motion detectors, and a loud siren. It operates on both Wi-Fi and 4G, ensuring continuous monitoring even if your internet goes down. The best part? It's completely wireless, making installation a breeze. You can control everything via a smartphone app, receive instant alerts, and even view real-time footage. Peace of mind has never been this tech-savvy or this easy. Just try not to set it off while sneaking in that late-night snack run. For those who love cutting-edge tech, check out the mobile phone thermal camera. This compact device attaches to your smartphone and turns it into a high-resolution thermal imaging camera. It's perfect for detecting heat leaks in your home, spotting wildlife in the dark, or even checking the temperature of your BBQ grill. It features a 256x192 thermal sensor with a temperature range of -20 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius, and the app provides detailed analysis and image capture. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional, or just someone who loves cool gadgets, this thermal camera is a game changer. Ever wanted to travel the world without a language barrier? The 144-language Earphone Translator is your new best friend. These smart earphones provide real-time translation in 144 languages. Just speak into them, and they'll translate your words into the target language instantly. They feature noise cancellation, Bluetooth 5.0, and up to 8 hours of battery life. Whether you're exploring new countries, conducting business, or just learning a new language, these earphones make communication effortless. No more embarrassing charades trying to ask for directions. Finally, let's brighten up your living space with the smart RGBIC curtain lights. These aren't just any lights. They come with individually addressable LEDs that can display multiple colors simultaneously. You can control them via a smartphone app or voice commands with Alexa and Google Assistant. With customizable scenes, music sync, and a timer function, you can create the perfect ambiance for any occasion. They're also easy to install and can be used as window decorations, room dividers, or even a backdrop for your next video call. Get ready to impress your guests with a light show that's out of this world. And that's a wrap on today's top 5 must-have tech gadgets of 2024. Each of these gadgets brings something unique and exciting to your daily life. If you love this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you're always in the loop. All the links to the products mentioned are in the description below. Comment which gadget you're most excited to try, and until next time, stay techy, my friends.